Are you suffering from cough and cold with phlegm? Both these are common conditions, especially in winters. Homemade remedies are very useful during these times. This preparation, along with tulsi or holy basil, gives a tremendous medicinal benefit. It guarantees 100% relief. This recipe would not take long. Take a handful of basil leaves, wash it thoroughly and keep it ready. With this, we have to take some rock salt. Again, not powder salt. We also have to take some carom seeds. Now, sandwich nicely all the three. I have added all the three together. We sandwich it nicely like this and place it inside the mouth. Go on chewing it until you have tears in your eyes. The burning sensation is unbearable. Then slowly try to swallow the liquid which is coming out of it and keep the content intact. After this, when all the juice is consumed, then take nice bearable hot water to drink. Do this for 2 to 3 times a day, and then another tip, gargle your throat with salt water. You will have much relief. Try this home remedy and leave your comments below.